So I had a 7 Briggs day here. I thought my 6 Briggs there a few weeks ago was a lot of motors. Sorry about the jiggling, just putting the hand strap on the camera there. But 7, yeah. So I got these four in the front right here from the scrapyard, and then I got those two and the lawnmower from kind of a barn yard sale. So here's what we got. We got a 3-horse, not quite complete. It's 1968. Then we got, looks like a pretty well complete 3-horse, 1975. We got an 82 3.5 push mower, and then an 83 push mower, 90, 94. Then we got a 93 push mower here. No gas tank, nothing on it. Got some issues, but no spark plug in it either when I got it. But here's a good one. I have never seen this. Half a lawnmower blade. So I don't know what that thing hit. But yeah, broke the blade right in half. Crazy. Maybe it had a flaw in there or something. But I know one thing. If you tried running it like that, it'd be like a helicopter and tried to take off. She'd be so out of balance. But out of curiosity, I might try to get that motor going just to see if it had any effects. But yeah, that's pretty crazy. So anyway, yeah, 7 motors in one day. Now you know why I need to build that motor shed up top there. So I got to put some shelves in it now to hold these. I'm be starting on that later on. But yeah, I'm collecting these Briggses too fast here. But I try to get the oldest ones, and we got one here. Yeah, this guy, the 82 or whatever here. Yeah, gas tanks rusted right through on it. A couple of them, like this one, the crankcase cover's broken. This one here is the same thing. I think the claw, they got a claw at the scrapyard. I think it got a hold of that one. But I like the older ones because they got steel parts in them versus the plastic camshafts, etc., that I've talked about on some of my lawnmower development videos. So get the old ones with the metal parts. So anyway, it's like 90 degrees here today, and the garden's liking it. So summer's finally arrived in the start of July. So everybody have a good one. Enjoy it while it's here.